Hi everybody, sorry for the bed and the pajama because I was so excited to find this out and to figure this out recording with the like Maschine MK3 without no audio cable, without nothing. I see sometimes like in the people of the YouTube, they said you buy one cable and you go from the out to input. No, here you see as I prove it, there's absolutely just the USB cable. And this is step down with the PC. I don't know about Mac because I don't use Mac, but maybe the same story. Just follow what like I'm gonna show you. It's very easy. We go to control panel, and from control panel we go to sound, and from sound you go to record. In case you're gonna see like this only one option, like one device. What you have to do, you have to show disabled devices, and you go and enable stereo mix. Okay, that's it. And you go okay, and you close, and you open machine. In machine as well you have to change the option. So we go to file, preference, and we go to audio, and you have to choose your sound card. And in here what you have to choose, you see, in case you're gonna see it not connected, and what you have to do, just you said mix, stereo mix L, stereo mix R, and you close. Now anyway, now we come to sampling in your machine. You see in sampling what you have to change, you have to change here, you change to 2, okay, and this you leave it as a stereo or mono, whatever you like. Okay, here not a sync, you have to detect. And in this, like now you open your sources of music. We said okay, we open some mp3, anything. If you see here, you see, so what we do, because this is the sound, it's just here. Okay, so you have to adjust it. Now if we stop this and we said start, and we start the audio, look, it's gonna record direct, not just watch when I start. You see, start recording. So you don't need any cable, anything. And the same story with the YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna show you YouTube quick. Even now if we stop, you see? Okay, it's very easy. So now if we go slice, and we said okay, grid, or not a grid, split, and we go 8, and okay, so now what we do, we said we close this, we don't save. Now we open YouTube. So anything, we open anything like okay. Just I want to show you, I prove it like sorry, my internet, because I'm upstairs. Okay, anything from YouTube. So we open machine, I will show you. And as we are already, like we did the setting, we don't have to do it again. So we put this here, and we press sampling, and the same story. We change here whatever we put, it's into, okay, and we leave it stereo, and here we said it ticked, okay, and the first we play the sound to see where exactly the level, so the level will be okay here, or if you want to put the sound up, it's gonna be the level here, okay. So now if we hit start, it said waiting, and now we said play, that's it, start recording, you see, and it's absolutely, there is no cable, just the USB, okay, you see. Now if we stop, and I brought it for you, like we go to slice, and we go to slice grid, we said 8, or maybe split, okay, we go and we go 16, okay. So this is I hope this will help a lot, because I was thinking about this a lot, so will help, you see, just drop it too. So people, because I see people, they buy another cable and this and that, and they have to take it out from the output and put it in the input and lot of story. So you don't have to do this, just follow this tutorial. Thank you very much, and I'm sorry for the bed and the pajama because I was so excited, so I said I make a tutorial quick. Bye, have a good time, enjoy your Maschine MK3.